Hello student of class 11. This video is the continuation part of the quadratic equation. I am starting long answer type question, sum number 6. If alpha beta be the roots of the equation, 2px x square plus 2px minus 2q square equal to 0, where pq are rational and p square plus q square is not a perfect square. Form the quadratic equation whose one roots is alpha plus beta plus root over alpha square plus beta square. It is given that alpha, beta are the roots of this equation. That means alpha plus beta equal to minus 2p and alpha beta equal to minus 2q square. It is given alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 2px minus 2q square. So I will get alpha plus beta equal to minus 2p and alpha beta equal to minus 2p square. We have to form the equation whose one root is this. If one root is this, I know if one root is a plus root b, another root is a minus root b. If a and b are rational number. Okay. So here alpha plus beta plus root over alpha square plus beta square is one root, then another root is alpha plus beta minus root over alpha square plus beta square. I know if one root is a plus root b, another root is a minus root b. This is for SARDS, and also it is true for complex number when one root is a plus ib, another root is a minus ib. We know it. So here another root is this, sum of the roots. So sum of the roots of the new equation equal to, this is first one, root over alpha square plus beta square plus alpha plus beta minus root over alpha square plus beta square. From here I will write 2 alpha plus beta, this is equal to 2 into minus 2p, this is equal to minus 4p, because here alpha plus beta equal to minus 2p, and product of the roots equal to alpha plus beta plus root over alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta minus root over alpha square plus beta square. This is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha square plus beta square root this whole square. This is a plus b and a minus b. This equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus alpha square minus beta square. So this cancel out, 2 alpha beta, that means 2 alpha beta equal to minus 2q square, that is equal to minus 4q square. So sum of the roots is minus 4p and product of the roots is minus 4q square. So the equation is, so the required equation is x square minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots equal to 0. This can be written in this way, x square plus 4px minus 4q square, this equal to 0. And here it is given that p square plus q square is not a perfect square. It is given. We have to prove. alpha square plus beta square, p square plus q square. P square plus q square is not a perfect square. I can write it in this way, p square plus q square. So, here it is given that PQ a rational number and p square plus q square is not a perfect square. The b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, that means discriminant. Here b square equal to, here b square, x square plus 2px minus 2q square, this is the given equation. Here b, compare this equation with this equation, I will get b equal to 2p and c equal to minus 2q square and a equal to 1. So b square minus 4ac, b square equal to 4p square, b square equal to 4p square, and 4ac, this is equal to 4 b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, this is equal to no, the p square plus q square here is a perfect square. Express the roots of the equation. Express the roots of the equation. Roots of the equation q square x square minus p square minus 2qx plus 1 equal to 0 in terms of those of x square plus px plus q equal to 0. Express the roots of the equation, the roots of this equation in terms of roots of this equation. It is a question. Let alpha beta, here given equation is this. Let alpha beta be the roots of this equation. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to minus p and alpha beta equal to q. Okay. And alpha plus beta equal to minus p and alpha beta equal to q. But in this equation, sum of the roots is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots equal to p square minus 2q by q square, that is p equal to minus alpha plus beta. That means I can write it in this way, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by q square alpha square beta square. So this equal to alpha square beta square, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta by alpha square beta square. This cancel out. So I can write this equal to alpha square by alpha square beta square plus beta square by alpha square beta square. This equal to 1 by beta square plus 1 by alpha square, and the product of the roots mean here equation is q square x square minus p square minus 2q into x plus 1. So, product of the roots equal to product of the roots equal to 1 by q square. 1 by q square, that is equal to 1 by alpha square beta square. So, I can write it in this way, 1 by alpha square into 1 by beta square. So, I can see sum of the roots 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square, and product of the roots 1 by alpha square into 1 by beta square. So, I can say the roots of the equation is 1 by alpha square and 1 by beta square. When the roots are 1 by alpha square and 1 by beta square, then I will get the equation q square x square minus p square minus 2q x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, I am ending here.